Here's the sink. The faucet goes out. We can take this wand out the slider door if we want. Everyone has to have a soap dispenser. Nice Ravati sink. Here's the gray water. It drains into a jerry can. That, if you remember me doing this, there is a quick release. Quick but not easy release. Button off the top. Oh, there we go. And this is a Camco drain that has a built-in P-trap here. I have a little shut-off valve. I need to zip tie it up here so it doesn't rattle. And then it goes into that, straps down with these little anchors here on both sides onto the 80-20. Then we have our tank pulling fresh water from here, filling it from the aft. So I'll start with out here. So we have shower off the back with a 10-foot hose. Put a weight on that. The mixer on off, I think. And then the marine fill there. Okay, so in here we'll start with the fill. It comes in right there. We have a T, so we can do a gravity fill from here with this shut-off valve right there, or we can hook up a hose with pressure and a pressure regulator and go through here, which has a backflow valve on it. Then it goes to the fill back here on the tank, and so this is the tank running along here, 22 gallons. And it pulls from the front of it with some PEX shut-off valve, high pressure vinyl tubing into the strainer, into the pump, 2.3 gallons per minute, the accumulator, and way back here, I don't know if I can find it, is the adapter that goes back into the tubing, that goes into a T, then routes to this shutoff valve that continues onto the cold supply line to the faucet. So that's pretty tidy. The hot water supply line has been capped and is tied down so it doesn't rattle. And this is just the sprayer for the faucet. Then back here off this T going aft is another shut-off valve for the shower. It runs along the back here, up, over, into the cold supply line, into the mixer. Then the mixer, well, the hot is capped off as well since we don't have our hydronic system installed. Then the mixer supplies the shower wand. And the only thing I haven't shown is the vent. You have to have a vent for these tanks, so right now the vent is just tied here. Eventually we're going to have a maintenance drain down here in this wee port here. But for now we're going to put a strainer on this. I'll put a strainer on it today and tie it up. Then that is it. It's done. So now I'm going to try it out. Oh yes, Eric did this. Listen to this. Oh, it's not working. Oh, I think he has the electrical turned off. The pump does work.